So here's how to set up store on Shopify. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Open your Shopify app, then click on the get started. Now here click on any option that you want and then click on the next. After that, select this option and then again click on the next, and once you click on the next, now it will take you to this page. Here at this page you have to select the products that you want to sell, and after that now click on the next again. After that, at this page you have to select your country and then click on the next. Now you have to select the method by which you want to sign into your account. Here I selected the sign in with Google option, and now I'm gonna select this account. Now at this page you have to enter all the details to set up your store on Shopify. Now to add phone number, click on the add option, and then here you have to select your state and country, or now enter your phone number. After that you have to verify yourself and it will send you a verification code at your phone number. Now at this interface, here you have to enter your verification code. Then go to your account security section. Here you have to set the security of your account. Here it will give you the option to create a passkey and enter your new password, and you can also set up two-step verification. So this was how to set up a Shopify store on mobile.